maybe what we will do is we will go through this, and I have two lessons today. We want to complete the course by 16th, um, 15th or 16th, I think. So we will just keep on to our track. So these are small courses we're just discussing, and then since you already have been doing classes um, uh, in video editing, VFX, and graphics design. So content creation, you're already doing your classes, and then like practicing it throughout. That's why we're just touching the video marketing topic today. With the other classes that you're doing, you also are sort of you already know whatever we're going to discuss, but then you're sort of connecting it with your other classes, the digital marketing and content creation, especially this module, the content creation module, with your other classes. What sort of deliverables that you will be able to give, what are people buying in the digital marketing domain, that you can offer them as a service. So in video marketing, we have the rise of short form content in digital marketing. So video marketing essentially is where we are using video as the medium to express or to convey our the message that the brand has, to effectively pitch their product or their service. So when we are creating videos, then videos can be of any sort. So the maybe so these are some of the video formats that I have created over the years. So there are different types of videos when we are saying video marketing. So this one is called a whiteboard animation.
Has incredibly high demand, has incredibly short supply, has minimal risk and overhead, has amazing profitability. We'll show you not only how our profitable business works, but most importantly, how you can personally benefit from getting involved right now with RelaX IQ. As you may know, there's
This one is like created over like 8 years ago. So whiteboard animation is still an in thing. It is used for company overviews where they are teaching about something, about maybe about science and maths. This is the best medium that we can uh, teach to a wide number of audience. Maths can also be expressed in animation formats and all. So this is another whiteboard explainer.
Do you know how much you really pay for investment advice? Many pay more than 2% annually, yet only believe they pay half that. How can that be? This is because the traditional client-advisor relationship often involves more parties than just the client and the advisor. Broker-dealers and third-party money managers are additional parties which are often involved. Fees to these parties are not often discussed, non-transparent, or worst of all, completely hidden. These additional fees can double the cost to the client. What impact do these additional fees mean to you?
So these all are explainer videos. They are essentially explaining a product, but then the say here
fcwealthsolutions.com or visit our website at info@fcwealthsolutions.com or about our cost-saving structure and downside protection investment strategies. Please contact us at info@fcwealthsolutions.com or visit our website at fcwealthsolutions.com.
so that's a CTA, call to action. So an explainer video, it is explaining their product, what the company is, the special features of this company. So this one is a wealth solution company. So basically, a financial the solutions, financial advices, those kind of services they offer. So this is another type of explainer videos. It's also called video sales letter or video sales pitch. It's like a sales pitch.
Do you want to be part of the next big thing? Are you looking for a cool way to socialize online that actually will make a difference in your life as well as others? Introducing Himbu, the cool and fun way to create and share content online and do it in a way where you can do something good for yourself as well as a charity you support. So how exactly does Himbu work? It's simple. Join for free, and we will give you tools to create content, like a GIF creator, flip cards, trivia Q&A, stories, and more. Use the tools to make cool stuff and share with your friends and others throughout social media and the web. Too lazy to create content and have no idea what to create? No problem. With Himbu, you can easily share content that's trending, fun, and on topic for today's world. Content that your friends will like and give you credit for sharing. You simply share it and profit along with the creator of it. Easy as ever needed to participate. No upsells, no catches, just a whole lot of fun. Simply sign up with our social login or create an account and start creating and sharing today.
So we cannot actually click here and then go anywhere. But then even then, there's a button, sign up, create an account. So essentially this sign up is a call to action. Like they are asking at the end of the video to sign up on their website. So this one was a social media website. So it came up. Even this is like pretty old. That's seven years back when they wanted to monetize the likes and shares. Like we get money for posting and people viewing our content, and they were trying to create a website which is for monetizing likes and shares. You get a small amount of the entire the budget of it. So these essentially are like explainer videos. So explainer videos are used by different companies to explain their video, their product or their service. Maybe I do not have any product in here. And then those are like pretty old ones. You can go to.
Hey, you made it down. It's good to have you here. So this is Emily Norther. 40 light years from Earth, with a transit through an unstable wormhole, and then a last-minute order to abandon ship once we arrived. But we made landfall, and now we're here. You know, we did 15 years of training, first on Moon Base and then Mars Base. But this still doesn't feel real yet. There's so much to take in, and nothing at all. There's no animal life, no plant life we know of, just us, here. I knew, though, from the minute I landed, that I wanted to go exploring. So I'm organizing a trip across the face of the planet. They say the best science happens with your feet on the ground. We're going to be roughing it for sure. This will be a trek from which legends arise. Don't be left behind. Join us. Start the adventure.
So this one is start the adventure is the CTA, call to action. So essentially we make a video and then we create a CTA, and that's how we create a video which is used for video marketing. So the video content can be about books, it can be about services, it can be about websites, and this is Another one for software as a company, software as a service company. So they essentially create.
DMP's sourcing module provides you with an effortless tendering experience. Our system quickly generates RFX, cutting down on processing time and reducing the need for human intervention. Expand your possibilities. With our platform, you gain access to a broader and more diverse pool of recommended vendors, ensuring you always find the right match. The system automatically embeds pre-selected inputs. The time section is auto-filled according
So
to your
that's how you
preferred
do it,
tender
and then
process.
essentially the videos.
When you partner with us, here's what you get. Reduced processing time. Faster RFX creation means less time spent on manual tasks. Streamlined decision-making. Our automation optimizes your workflows, making approvals and reviews faster. Expanded vendor options. A wider network of suppliers gives you more choices and better pricing options. Experience a smoother, faster procurement process that delivers results with ease. Ready to transform your procurement process? Let's work together for a smarter, more efficient sourcing experience.
So this contact us is again that call to action. So a video can be created for many different purposes, talking about a lot of wide variety of things. So we come back again to our this. So in here, essentially, we are talking content creation as a part of digital marketing. As a part of digital marketing. So when we are using videos for digital marketing, for the longer videos, we can use this. Shorter is better. So 1 minute, less than 1 minute, it's what is preferable. But then if we put longer videos for people to watch longer videos, the budget also increases, and then people's attention also nowadays is shrinking. That's why same videos, what they are, it's also being done nowadays. It's maybe if I have a shorter one of this, like
You're in for an exciting ride. You're about to experience the Clinical Supervision Directory. We're the first nationwide searchable directory of mental health supervisors for supervision seekers developed in partnership with clinical programs and universities across the country. You would think finding a supervisor www.clinicalsupervisiondirectory.com.
maybe it have been moved out in shorts. Okay, never mind. I do not.
I've made such a video before.
Yes.
I've made such a video before.
Explain a video.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. What was it about?
It's about an online learning platform.
Okay, so it was about software as a company, like a website.
Yeah, about the website. Explaining how the website works.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So what I was pointing at here was this particular video. I made it in actually, like, we did it in three different formats. So one was this widescreen one. The same one I had repurposed it to fit in vertical and square format. The square format probably we did like 30 seconds maybe, using bits and parts of the same video. So that 30 seconds one, essentially in more all of the platforms, in TikTok the videos are shorter, but there's something called attention span. So people's attention span have decreased. They are saying they need changes pretty quickly. That's why the attention span nowadays, it's like up to 3 seconds. There are studies which says that if you can grab a person's attention in the first 3 seconds of the video, then it's more likely that the person will go through, like will stick to the end of the video. The first 3 seconds is like where you can grab the attention and let the people and make the people want to see your video. So even then, it's not guaranteed, but then the first 3 seconds are important. And then on major platforms, on YouTube Shorts and places like Instagram, the status. So status, it's a 15 seconds game. So we get only a time of 15 seconds there. So these are known as short form videos. So short form videos are typically less than 60 seconds long, which may ranging between 15 to 30 seconds. This format is designed for quick consumption, making it ideal for viewers with limited attention spans. So basically, most of the children, if you see, most of the people all around who's glued to their mobile are basically glued to this 15 to 30 seconds game itself. They are just endlessly scrolling, going up and down things, like scrolling their phones. So those are the mobile viewing trends, because the short form videos are largely consumed on mobile devices, appealing to users who are on the go. So what I can do, because these are things are I would just want the class to go through the content. It's not much for us to discuss, since we are already sort of like you are doing your video and graphics design classes, and the things in this class is essentially like very simple, like things like this. If you just go through it, then you'd get it fully. So we'll just talk maybe on the topics. So popular platforms, as we know, it's YouTube, TikTok, Facebook is again it's not there in then Twitter, LinkedIn also is popular. So why it works? Because the attention span insights. So marketing, they have been doing constantly, the marketers, people who want to grab people attention and keep on selling things. So it's what is keeping the, like, the sort of one portion. It's that's like the pump of economy is working because people are doing hard labor. People are working very very hard. That's why the economy is moving. The countries are progressing, and marketing is what is giving the drive to it. Marketing is why we have the prices of graphics card have come down. Like we get good graphics card because mobile phones have those high-end graphics card nowadays. All mobile cameras are good. It's not like those VGA cameras before. But it's not like those black and white phones before. It's all because of that graphics card industry have developed. It's all because of marketing. Marketing have been able to pump the manpower, the economy, and then they are being able to display to the people that, like, what good things can happen, things like that. So like people are using it more and more. It's convenient. It's in their palm of their hands. So with that also, their attention span is decreasing, and then in today's fast-paced world, attention spans are dwindling. So people are like, both of the thing, it goes hand in hand when we are saying that marketing is pushing the the entire digital platform and then the people. It's enhancing the experience, and that's why people are becoming more and more engaged, more and more sort of, we can use, addicted to it. Nowadays there's lots of like, we have to stay conscious that we don't stay glued to our mobile phone. The world actually happens beyond our mobile phone, but then mobile phone, it's like marketed and then used to that extent, and then so many research are going on, and so much things are happening inside the mobile phone in on the internet, that like everyone are curious, and then uh, we are sort of glued to our the internet, and then the platforms, the social media platforms and all, and all those. So marketers also are competing. They are still um, enhancing the platform, making it better and better. That's why it's still not, the processes are ever evolving. And with that, the attention span insights, the 3 second game, that we have to grab an audience's attention within that 3 second game. So yeah, this one is the same, the 60 seconds long. It's ideal for quick consumption. Why it works? Yeah. So it's easy to share the videos. The platforms also have made it very simple. Even on WhatsApp, also shorter videos are easier to share. That's why WhatsApp also allows uploading videos only till one portion. Maybe let's go a little bit into science, right? Do you know what size do we use our TVs for? Have you heard about, have anyone in the class heard about PAL and NTSC?
No,
No.
yeah, never heard about it.
Okay, so have you guys seen a cable TV, the dish TV, cable TV, without bi- like, or what sort of TV do you have at home?
Like the brand?
Uh, yeah, like brand, as in like the technology. Is it a smart TV?
No, it's not smart TV.
It's not a smart TV. Okay, so how does it run? Do you have a dish antenna, or you have a common service? You bring in a cable line and then you attach it to your TV.
Yeah, it's a small square device called a decoder. Then you connect it to an antenna.
Okay, so you have an antenna.
Yeah.
Okay, so that transmission that is happening and from the antenna. So there are two type of TV broadcasting thing. Like, um, why it's important? It's how the video is getting delivered through the satellite, through air, through those cables into our TV. This is the reason why we have. Have you seen things things like this? When we look at the TV through our phone, have you noticed there are lines like this? When we are creating a new file, a Photoshop file or a video file, then it asks us for like scan line, upper, lower, or progressive, things like that. Have you noticed that? why when we do like old TV effects, we have these lines. So these lines basically are called scan lines. It's connected to PAL and NTSC thing because PAL and NTSC is a television standard that is used to broadcast your the TV, the serial. That's how we see it. So uh, like okay, let's say the PAL size was for I think PAL. If you go to okay, let's say maybe. Are you using Premiere Pro?
Yes, we have it.
While it loads, this part is very interesting because like that's how we know the why and how of things. So once we know that there is something in that line, then we remember to observe that in our next like when you're working. If you know it from now, then next time when you're working on any videos, then you will have a perspective, upgraded perspective of why you're doing it, what you're doing, and things like that. Maybe it's let's see. With the advent of smart TV, that's it's changing again. We don't use too many PAL and NTSA thing nowadays, but that's that's what the basics is. Okay. When we are creating a new sequence, then we get the option of this broadcast. This is mine is 2000. This is Photoshop 2025 Premiere Pro 2025. So if you're using a older version, then maybe the names might be a little bit here and there. But then it has. Have you noticed this is 23.98p. We call it 1080p, and then there's 25i, 29.97i. There will also be this one is that's the height and horizontal and vertical. This one the field is upper field first. So what is upper field first? This one is P and this is I. Have you ever thought what this P and I is? Okay, if you have not, then P means progressive and I means interlace. So coming back to our PAL and NTSC sizes. So that's how PAL and NTSC. It's how. Let's. Oh, NTSC is National TV System Committee, and PAL is phase alternate lines. So when okay, let's say TV broadcast. So a TV, when they are broadcasting, then they have a cable size, and a cable size will have a particular speed. So calculating with that speed, how much time will we be able to uh, for the speed is okay, let's say it's going to be a little bit of maths and science, things like that, but then users have to know that there's is something. So even if you do not understand, let me know if you do not understand it. But even if you do not understand, even then it's like sort of like fine. So we have cable speed. It's said in say in bytes per second or bytes per second. So say when we are saying bits, then like cable speed will be like how many bits per second can the cable send data in. Maybe it's say like it's maybe like okay, let's say x, let's say 30, and then we have frames per second. So that's our FPS. So in 1 second we are sending about 24 to 25 PAL and NTSC. So that's 24 FPS, 25 FPS. So we are sending 24 FPS or 25 FPS means 25 frames per second. So when we are sending for 25 frames per second, that means if one frame is say 10 bits, let's say like 1 byte is 2 bit, like that. So like we'll call it like say like bytes. So this is 30 bytes. So one frame is 30 bytes, then 25 frames will be 250 bytes. Now we have to send 250 bytes in 1 second through a cable which has capacity of say like maybe we increase it a bit. So let's say it's like something like 200 bytes. So 200 bytes. I am not sure about the exact number, but then that's what I was looking for. But then I did not thought about it. So I'm just trying to explain the concept of it. So that's why what they have calculated the per frame size. Frame size is height versus width. Height multiplied by width. That's the frame size. That's why they have done all 720. Let's okay. I have forgotten. It's been some time. 720, 576, 25 versus NTSC. .576, 25 FPS, and up to 30 FPS. So when we will calculate it, so one frame will have 720 by 480 pixels. So say 1 pixels is, it won't be 1 byte, so maybe this many pixels we have to send in one frame. In one frame we have this many pixels multiplied by 30, it's 10368. So same in here when we calculate. Let's see. 10368, 10368. Are you saying this? So we are sending the same amount of pixels in 1 second. So that is with the cable speed that was invented those days. And then we have, that's why there's a mathematical calculation with the sizes of our screen. Why we have the screen size then. And then from then on, for there's also movies, there's those also have defined the sizes. Now we, with the screen size, we have 16 of 16:9 ratio. This were like 4:3 ratio. So essentially what I'm trying to show in here that like with the science, with that platform, there's an industry working behind on it. And then the industry is all the thing that they are doing. After this, people are buying TVs. Yes, there's like there's lots of there's media channels. There's lots of other industries. What will be calling like that. But then all of these industries are dependent on the marketing aspect. And since what I'm trying to show is there's so much of science into all of this. Why we have the screen size. Even now also there's a science behind why we have screen size 1920 1080. I did not finish it. This one was what basically this does, it sends the data in it sends the data in horizontal lines. This data that's been transmitted, that's in horizontal lines. So for every picture, it is basically dividing it into two. So this much it cannot send in one second. So what at one time it cannot send the total pixels. So basically it's dividing into it into two. This is not happening in a second level. It's happening in that frame rate, 60 hertz, 120 hertz, 50 hertz, that speed. So they send this one in divided by 2. So they make it half, make it into horizontal lines. So at first they say they send the upper field When we leave one, then this is upper. Leave one, then go to the next. Leave like the alternate ones. Either the upper field first or lower field first. So that way they push it through our TV. So that's what when we go to Premiere, when we are creating a document, that's what it will say: fields, no fields, progressive scan. So that's the meaning of this field section. So that scan lines were how our the channels used to reach to our TV. So nowadays we do not have that. The technology have upgraded. We have progressive scan. So like the data essentially it's reaching us at a very high speed. That's why we do not need to break it anymore. And then we have different bit rate, and then we have that the render options that you usually get. Okay, let's say we create one. We go to render options. So that's what the bitrate is about. Bitrate is about transmitting your data through the internet, through the mobile phones. And when you're doing it, then we have to be aware where it's going to get displayed. So if you want to target to entire, say if I have to target entire India, then I have to be mindful of the internet speed, because that is not consistent between all of the cities have faster internet, villages have very less reception. But nowadays 5G is almost reaching out in India. So and then in video we have bitrate encoding, variable bitrate, constant bitrate, one pass, two pass. So when we are selecting two pass, then it's essentially breaking our video. It's clubbing two videos together. We can think it like that. It's not actually saving. It's not double the size, but then it's clubbing two videos together. One is in 19 and the other one is 23. Say for YouTube, we usually take like 8 by 12 if it's 720p, or we do something like 20 by 12. So for 20 by 12. So for places which have faster internet, this one will when the internet is fast, this one will be played. When the internet is slow, then this one will be played. Things like that. It's not exactly two videos club together, but then it's like easier to understand that way. So we have a lot of science into it, all thanks to marketing. And for marketing, that's why even these big companies, Meta, Google, and all, also are like sort of fighting for their number one position. So more and more people will use their platform to market their things. With mobile phones, with traditional marketing, it was different engagement rates. With short form videos, people are engaging, more and more people are coming. So that is becoming a more viable place for marketers to market their product or service. So this is the digital marketing, video marketing formats, as in what types of videos are being created. So there are explainer videos. One is that we showed, Then another ones are tutorials, how-to videos. So this, I think you already know, these videos provide step-by-step guides or instructions on a specific task. They are popular because they offer value to viewers, making learning quick and fun. There's behind-the-scenes content. So this format showcases the process behind making a product, service, or event. It's about transparency and connecting with the audience by sharing real-life moments and insights. There are challenges and trends, which also are keeps on trending. So taking part in trending challenges can boost visibility and engagement. These videos are fun and relatable, allowing creators to tap into existing viral content and community involvement. There are other formats also in here, different types, but then essentially for digital marketing, these are the like the common ones. There's also the storytelling ones. When we are storytelling, then we have essentially to craft a hook. This is a grabber. So first few seconds are crucial. A captivating hook grabs attention immediately, encouraging viewers to watch until the end. Think of an intriguing question or startling question, or we usually use with pain points when we are talking. So we will have a video script that we use in the video. So in the script itself, we'll be doing the changes first. So we bring the pain point maybe in the start, so people can connect to the video directly. Or for storytelling purposes, many people are also using the last clip in the first section. So the clip sometimes it plays twice, and sometimes they just edit it so that it looks like it's going on in a loop. When we are writing the video script, then we have to be sure that it's like a form of effective messaging. So your message should be clear and resonate with the audience. Utilize emotions, relatable scenarios, or humor to ensure the audience connects with what you're sharing. And there has to be call to action strategies. So we have to always include a call to action, CTA, at the end of a video, whether it's to comment, share, or follow. CTAs encouraging viewer interaction and foster community engagement. So for normal faster ways of creating content, the bigger ones, the professional ones, are of course the Adobe Cloud. Then we have FPC in Mac. So good editing tools like CapCut, InShot, Canva. Good editing tools can enhance your video's quality. CapCut is banned in India, but then it's getting very popular. So these are for faster edits because they have templates and all those. If you want to do something of your own, then maybe that custom made is Premiere Pro is better. Sometimes if you have to just create a video in maybe an hour or less than an hour, so maybe at that time like this apps are pretty good and powerful. So platform specific also, there are tools and there are unique features. Reels thrive on, like, there's trending audio on Instagram and on Instagram. And then TikTok, this one is I like, you would be better to let me know if this one is actually there on TikTok or not. Like TikTok favors original challenges, so maybe a lot of challenges going on where we name out our friends, we call out our friends to do it. So content strategy tips. Plan your content in batches to save time. Aim for a mix of personal, educational, and promotional videos. I think I still have the previous classes Google Sheet. So basically, you have to create a content planner so that you know that you're on the right spot. So we are breaking it down into informative, entertaining, and sales. So aim for a mix of personal, educational, and promotional videos. So we can create a whole lot full content calendar like this, and then there we can include videos and images. Always post on the peak time. So every place will have their own peak time. So best time to post content on Instagram. Okay. Oh, maybe we went on to this. It's between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's what Google AI is telling us. In Entebbe, Uganda, are generally between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Peak engagement on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we are planning out everything. We are putting that in a single sheet, and then the whole team is following that sheet to keep on doing their part. So copywriter will follow with the copy thing. The designers will be creating the designs. Video editor will be making the video. So short form videos are reshaping digital marketing. Embrace the creativity and strategies discussed to effectively connect with your audience and grow your presence. So that's it for video marketing. But maybe what we will do is we will go on to AI as well. I just want to share both of, or do we want to do it in the next class?
Let's do it now.
Okay, let's do it now. Yes. So AI in digital marketing. So from video marketing, I think I will be sharing this. There's nothing new. It's all what it's actually currently happening. So you all are aware of what is happening. So AI in digital marketing. So it's an overview of tools and applications in modern marketing. So AI, as we know, is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is still not artificial intelligence as we see in maybe movies like Terminator. Also, say that movie also artificial intelligence. We can say that's a programming error. They went into a loop. So like that, like it happened in Iron Man maybe. So artificial intelligence essentially now it's like we ask things like I am asking to Google best time to post content on TikTok in NTB. So Google is basically this is a new thing that's happening now. But then before Google would be posting us 1, 2, 3, and then there are lots and lots of different pages. So there are many different websites. So essentially, what we do is we type something, and then we go to this blogs, because say Hootsuite is a popular website. Then we also have something Buffer. Then maybe Sprout Social. So all of these websites say the trustworthy websites, the credit-worthy websites. So ChatGPT will essentially go into all of this, and then it will collate in a human way, and then it will present you the answer in an answer format. So Google essentially is a search engine which searches for websites. So ChatGPT and other AIs, what they are essentially doing, they are searching in the internet, or they have their own server, their own data that it is individually collecting, and then it goes through its data, and then it collates everything that it can find, or most of the important things that it can find, and then it's presenting to you in an answer format. So images also are a series of steps that we do, like we how we create, um, say we create a video. We do it from pre-production, as you know, pre-production, there's production, there's post-production. So similarly, pre-production, production, and post-production also it happens in things like software development. So in pre-production, we talk about the script. We talk about what assets we'd be needing, and things like that for the video. And in production, then we are collecting the assets, or we are creating the assets. And then post production, we are editing. We are basically mixing it up, and then completing our video. So it already knows the steps. So even for video making and video creation and all also. So essentially, AI now is bringing all of the data that it has, and then it's mixing it up, and then it's showing to us. So whatever AI is giving, it's already there. So we are just calling it artificial intelligence, just because marketing is keeping the world interesting. It's bringing new terms, and then new ways of things. So it also gets a little bit confusing. We have like words like fear of missing out, and FOMO, and all of those words. It's but then if we actually think about all of the keywords, all of the main terminologies that we are working with, so those are pretty simple, and it's still not like at that level. So artificial intelligence, we are calling it AI, but then AI still is not like a very that you cannot understand. It's nothing like that. So, significance of AI in digital marketing. AI plays a crucial role in modern digital marketing strategies. It enables businesses to automate processes, analyze vast amounts of data, and engage with customers effectively. So, yeah, so essentially like that. Maybe so for any company, any organization, no matter how small or big, every work it's like every work is a process, or a part of it. Is a part of the process. So processes are essentially basically like, say in there's we call like SOPs. There are SOPs in the business organizations. Then SOPs are there, like a service protocol. But so these are steps which are being done to operate functions in an organization. It can be a shoe company, a shoe brand. It can be It can be a clothing brand. It can be anything, like roundabout all of the things that the world is doing. The we also the functioning our functioning. Suppose if you have your own business, like there's a student who has her own perfume store, her own sales. So she is doing that as maybe her current profession. And then there are students who are into designing, who are giving services for photography and videos and graphics design and all. So your functioning, if we can define it into process, and then we can say that how many processes we are doing in one day. Say for those who are giving graphics design services, like or a shop, so maybe from Instagram or from home itself, then even getting a new lead, getting a new client is a process. We have to get that as a process. So but even after making the sale also is a process. Sales funnel is a process. Digital marketing is a process. The names are digital marketing, and then maybe people will try to say include a lot of things. But then digital marketing, as we have seen in the classes, it's all those small things which actually matter. That you are doing things authentically, you are doing it for with permission of the people. You are taking permission, you are doing everything that you should. You're keeping transparency in your business. So it's all of those small things which actually matter. You are posting on time, you are scheduling your post, you are like you're commenting, you're replying on their comments. Those are like small things are like actually matters. And then AI is enabling to automate that process. There's AI also replies in those comments. Then AI can also analyze vast amount of data, like ChatGPT has it. You give ChatGPT, depending on your subscription, there's a number of Excel sheets that you can feed PPT. You can feed to ChatGPT, but you can essentially give ChatGPT hundreds of Excel sheet, and then ask ChatGPT to do a calculation based on that. So you don't have to manually go through 100 sheets and then actually come up with a number, with a definite thing, because you don't know the data that you need is in how many Excel sheets. So it can analyze vast amount of data in a fraction of seconds. Maybe that 100, maybe it might need like 10-15 minutes or so. Then, as we have seen, that it also engages with the customers. It replies. Then it can answer queries. It can talk about the frequently asked questions and all. As companies increasingly rely on data-driven decisions, AI becomes an essential tool for enhancing marketing effectiveness and meeting consumer demands. For these calculations analysis that have been going on, we have been able to personalize marketing. The ads that you see are specific to you. If we are 30 students in the class, including me, it's 31. So 31 individuals, 31 mobile phones, 31 different Gmail accounts. With that, or probably Apple account. So with that, all of us will be seeing different sort of ads depending on which platform we follow, what content we consume. So depending on that, our advertisements will be different. The things that we see will be different. So like marketers and everyone are the platform, and everyone are already segregating us according to our choices. And AI now AI is automating all of those. So it's the human beings who analyzed and did all of that. They are only using AI to automate it. So AI is still it's like that machine level. It's still at its machine level. AI transforms marketing strategies by enabling precision targeting. The targeting that we have seen in the class. If AI does it, then AI will do it more accurately. And ChatGPT also can give you a marketing strategy and create documents for you for marketing purpose. So we can try. You can try that. So it can personalize content delivery. Uh, Content delivery, as in we a video is a content that we have to post in three platforms or four platforms. So AI will automate it. In some of the platform, it will go to say it will go on the reel. The reel will be 1080 by 1920. It will be a vertical video, and then that will go to Instagram feed. That one will be 1350 by 1080. It's different size, so we will need to repurpose it so that AI can repurpose it by itself, and then it can send it to different platforms as needed. And efficient resource allocation. Like it's the data analysis that we have talked in the class, that we need to do data analysis during and after every campaign that we do. So when we are doing A/B testing, or we are doing any campaign, then with that data analysis, AI can judge, can do predictions, and then can efficiently allocate resources where it's required. So even in decision making also, AI is creating its impact. Organizations leverage AI algorithm to predict consumer behavior and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly, ensuring higher engagement rates and return on investment. Various brands have successfully implemented AI in their marketing approach, leading to innovative campaigns and improved customer experiences. Real world applications of AI range from chatbots that we see in websites, in the banking sector has it, but then even many software as a company websites has it. Nowadays most websites have chatbots. Like chatbots, best example maybe to understand chatbots will be in Telegram, the app, because there are lots of bots there in Telegram. Bots are good, bots are bad, some are good, some are bad. Bad might also scam you out of money, so we have to be very sure of what permission we are giving to which bots. Real world applications of AI range from chatbots that enhance customer service to predict analytics that drive campaign success, showcasing its profound impact on business operations. So the benefits of AI is time saving automation. So basically it's the repetitive tasks that we have to do in organization level, day in and day out, for the processes like Excel sheets, and going through Excel sheets, and those kind of repeated tasks. And we can also use AI to write our content, the copy. So those tasks also, but then creative, it's still not at that creative level. We still need to check on it and then see how things are on a creative aspect. But then those who which needs technical and like calculations and all those, even programming also have become automated nowadays. Even software developers, heavy programmers, also in their office itself, they are using AI to write codes. So a code before might need 3 days, 4 days to write, and then maybe several weeks to test and then debug it. But then nowadays that is just a matter of 1 day or 2 day, because AI can give you the whole code, and then it can also help in the testing part. It can run the test in multiple scenarios on its own, and then whichever code you have, you just have to append it to the older previous code. AI automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer inquiries, and content creation. Oh, a simple task what you can try in ChatGPT is you can upload a photo and then ask ChatGPT to write that to send it to you in written format. So you don't have to type it. So ChatGPT can do that. So image processing, word processing, it can do that. So AI can automate data entry, customer inquiries, and content creation, allowing marketing teams to focus on strategic initiatives. By automating these processes, businesses can significantly reduce operational cost and enhance productivity. So with that also, it's because it's everyone is trying to enhance productivity, so there's a lots of pushy environment. Everyone is saying like they need things fast. Personalization is a key benefit of AI, as it allows companies to tailor messages and offers to individual consumer preferences. Through data analysis, AI can identify user patterns and deliver relevant content that increases engagement and conversion rates. So as we have already discussed previously in this class itself, so it's that personalization that, like, if it's 31 of us, then all of us will have personalized feed. Our feeds will be different. The ads we are seeing will be different. So benefit of AI is that it is time consuming. It's time saving. But automation is saving time. Enhanced personalization. Personalization had already begun from before, but then AI is enhancing it. It's helping in decision making. Even decision making, AI can do predictions. That's why it have improved our decision making. AI assists marketers in making informed decisions based on real-time analytics and insights. By accurately interpreting market trends and consumer behavior, AI tools empower organizations to adjust their strategies promptly and effectively. So AI benefit is, it is saving time, it is enhancing personalization, it is improving decision making. So AI use cases where we can use AI. AI can be used in content creation strategies as well as content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper.ai can draft articles, create social media posts, and help develop marketing copy. These technologies analyze trends and audience preferences to ensure that the content resonates with targeted demographics, increasing engagement and streamlining production. So they are already using that enhanced personalization thing, and then they are writing content according to our target audience. AI use cases, customer support innovations. AI-driven customer support solutions such as chatbots and virtual assistants revolutionize how business interact with their clients. So businesses are already interacting with the client with using AI, using chatbots, and its hologram also have it's working in the shadows. Lots of holographic displays are being done, and then there are holographic like tools which are being used. So essentially, in some years, maybe we'll have like those sci-fi movies where we go and ask a fortune teller about us, and then the fortune teller is a holographic robot, comes in and then answers our thing. It's only maybe till Tesla or some company starts making it. These tools provide instant responses to customer inquiries, enabling 24 into 7 support. They can also learn from previous interactions to improve their responses over time. They have a memory, so we can save our name, the previous interactions, and all those. And for those who are already using ChatGPT for some time, there was a prompt where you can ask ChatGPT to draw yourself with everything that ChatGPT knows about you. So ChatGPT will collate all of the information that it has on you that you have given to ChatGPT, or like it's there in its memory, and then it will try to draw you. That was a cool prompt. You can look on it for in Google and then try it. Ensuring a more satisfying and comprehensive customer experience. So, and it's a digital marketing class that we are doing. So we have ad targeting optimization, AI use cases. We are using AI in ad targeting optimization. So even target are getting precise. The precision is increasing. AI's capabilities allow businesses to optimize their ad targeting processes through advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms. By analyzing user data, AI can identify the most relevant audience segments, allowing for more effective ad placements. This leads to better ROI by minimizing ad spend, wastage, and maximizing engagement with potential customers. Then there are popular tools. ChatGPT is very popular. A range of global AI tools are transforming digital marketing, including ChatGPT, Jasper.ai for blog writing, Lumen 5. There are others as well. For video creation from text, these tools are designed to enhance productivity, facilitate creativity, and integrate seamlessly into existing marketing workflows. Specific tools for marketing. Specific AI tools tailored for marketing include Copy.ai for generating marketing copy. Copy again is like this is a copy of this ad. Like this one is a offer, summer sales, and then the copy is flyers, brochures, and more for 30% of this summer. So the main text that will go in that design is copy. So copy.ai, it will generate marketing copy. Surfer SEO is for optimizing content for search engines. Each of these tools focuses on particular aspect of the marketing funnel, allowing businesses to leverage specialized software to maximize effectiveness. There are emerging AI technologies, encompasses predictive analytics tools. It can forecast consumer behavior, personalization engines that enhance customer journeys, and advanced data analytics platforms capable of processing vast data sets. So more and more things are coming up as more and more people are using it. These innovations are continuously evolving, enabling marketers to stay ahead of trends and consumer expectations. And with that, there's also the ethical considerations. The people are have to be sure where they are putting in their photos, their videos. It's like feeding data to the AI. So, but different AI will have different servers, and then different people will have access to those servers. So your data can be used in good or bad way. So that was what it is in ethical considerations. So that is about the security, addressing bias. That is about the security and ensuring transparency. There's also impact on job displacement since AI is doing most of the work. The rise of AI in marketing raises concern about job displacement as automation takes over traditionally performed by human employees. So the copy, the content, and everything, most of the things for digital marketing were done by human beings, but now they are being done by machines. While AI can enhance efficiency, organizations must consider strategies to retrain, and upskill their workforce to mitigate potential negative impacts and retain valuable human insights. So it has impact on job displacement. There's layoffs and also uh, like it's things like the owners are earning more profits, so they have to consider, and then they have to take effective strategies to balance that. We have to ensure fair and equitable marketing practices. Companies must actively work to recognize and correct biases in their data sets to prevent unfair advantages or discrimination in marketing efforts, promoting inclusivity and ethical standards. So this basically is what the brand has to be humanization factor. So all brands are getting that, things are getting global. So that's why brands have to be inclusive of everyone, because if negative comments has to come, then it can come from any part of the world. Transparency have to be ensured so that there's building trust with consumers, that why they are sharing the data, what it is it being used for. Marketers should be open about how AI influences decisions, data collection practices, and pricing strategies. By prioritizing transparency, businesses can foster a positive relationship with their audience and navigate ethical considerations responsibly. So, in conclusion, the integration of AI into digital marketing presents significant advantages, including automation, personalization, and enhanced decision making capabilities. Understanding the applications and ethical implications of this technology is crucial for successful implementation. That maybe you can like go through it yourself. So essentially, what in here we are talking, it's about the importance of AI. It is time saving. It is enhancing our personalization. It is improving our decision making. AI is being used in content creation strategies, in customer support innovations. So, giving support to customers, talking to customers, and in ad targeting optimization. So, since it is doing most of the work that people were doing, so there's also job displacement. And then brands who are taking into AI, they are using AI data, chatbots, and all. So they have to have transparency, and because there's displacement, and with AI they need transparency. So they have to have a balance between that, and they have to uh, include everyone. Yeah, more or less, that's what it is. There are tool names in here. You can go for it. I think ChatGPT, most of you have already used it, and there's okay. Since we are doing AI, maybe, but do not rely too much on resources. There's like me, I'm using Slides Go somebody asked me in one of the classes which software I'm using for my AI like for my PPT. So I am using slidesgo.com. I am using the AI presentation maker. So I am giving it the content of what the slide should talk about, what should be included in the slide, and then this slides go. It is helping me in creating the presentation. So there are different templates, different themes. Yeah, so that's it for today. Do you have any questions, anyone?